Today we're going to look at third declension IStem nouns. But before we even go there, let's look at the normal third declension. Hopefully these endings look familiar to you, and if not, you should go back a video and look at the normal third declension before moving on. So the third declension IStem is not that much different in its form, but let's talk about what makes the third declension noun an IStem. So if it's masculine or feminine, there are two categories in which IStems fall under. The first is the nominative has to end in is or ace, and the nominative and genitive need to have the same number of syllables. Here an example is hostis, hostis, which means enemy. The other case is, and mostly with the feminine, though there are a few masculine exceptions, the nominative singular ends with an s or an x, and the stem of the noun, so the stem, once you cut the genitive ending off, ends in two consonants, here arx, arcus. And for neuter nouns, if the nominative singular ends in al, ar, or e, such as animal, animalis. When we look at the actual declension of third declension IStem nouns, you'll notice that it's very similar to the normal third declension. For the masculine and feminine, here with blue asterisks, you're going to add an I in front of the normal genitive ending, and the accusative plural ending will occasionally be a long is instead of es. Now the neuter changes a lot more, so the ablative singular changes from an e to an I, and then you're going to add an I before the endings for the nominative, genitive, and accusative plural as denoted by the blue asterisks.